I'm Brandi. I'm going to be making a few drinks off of our summer drink menu today. First up is the Hibiscus Margarita. If you were wondering what hibiscus is, it's these little dried flowers. It's wonderful for infusing. You can make a tea out of it. I infuse this tequila with it, and it doesn't take very long, just like a half hour. So I start off by muddling a lime, orange, lemon. I like to muddle the fruit because it gets a little bit of the oils from the citrus peel, and it just has more depth of flavor. And tequila. This is going to be about 2 ounces. This is some hibiscus syrup that I made. It's just a simple syrup that I infused with the dried hibiscus. A little bit of that. And then I like to use Marnier. It's more delicious than triple sec, and it just works better with the hibiscus, I think. A little bit of that. And a little dash more of lime juice. I'll prep my glass. A little bit of salt. I just put it on half the glass in case you want to lick all the salt, or no salt. Over fresh ice. You could dump it back in, but then the ice is going to keep melting and it's going to water down your drink. It's not good. There you go.